welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this pumpkin pie recipe, but this is a little different than how you're used to seeing it being made because it's covered in phyllo pastry dough, which means that it's super crispy from top to bottom. And this recipe just screams autumn. You will fall in love after your first bite. It's guaranteed. It's very quick and easy to put together. Let me show you how. Let's get started. To start this pumpkin pie, I'm adding a pound of pumpkin puree to my bowl and sweetening this with a half a cup of sugar. I'm adding golden raisins and walnuts to the mixture along with a quarter cup of melted butter. The cinnamon and ground cloves are then going to be added, and as you can see, this is going to be an incredibly delicious pumpkin filling. For those of you who are new to my channel, I post quick recipes every other day, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. Now once the mixture is fully incorporated, I'm going to be then preparing the crispy phyllo crust. This is a half a pound of phyllo sheets. It's typically found in the freezer section, and you want to make sure that this fully thaws out before unwrapping it. Add a few sheets to the bottom of the pan, being sure that the phyllo sheets are hanging over the edges of the pan. I'm going to be brushing them with some melted butter between each sheet, and it doesn't need to be perfect. The melted butter doesn't need to be evenly distributed. Just lightly brush it on, and after a few layers, add the pumpkin mixture to the pan. Fold then the phyllo sheets to the center of the pie and continue to make sure to brush every sheet with the melted butter. Now for the top layer, we're going to add all of the crunchiness to the pie by taking the last few sheets of phyllo and roughly arranging them on top. This doesn't need to be perfect as long as you're using enough butter. Each sheet of dough will add extra crunch to this pie. Once you're finished, you're then going to slice this pumpkin pie however you like. This will ensure that we don't crush all of those delicate layers after it bakes. And this will then get placed into a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for exactly 1 hour. This pumpkin pie is like nothing you have ever tried before. The mixture on the inside just screams fall season with all of those warm spices and plump juicy raisins. But let's talk about the crispiness of this pie. You will need a knife to cut into it because there are just so many layers, and the crispy crunch crust is from top to bottom. Just heavenly. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes which are uploaded every other day. Thanks for watching.